Deep velvet with 3D ribbed lines on top. 2 techniques, 1 look, and it comes together faster than you'd think. Most people hold the magnet directly over the nail. That's not how you get this finish. You hover it around the edges, and I'll show you exactly why that makes the difference. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat, and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Tap the information icon in the top right to watch our full application tutorial and see these steps in detail. For this design, I've used base coat and bare builder gel. Apply a thin coat of velvet Mocha, leaving it uncured. Make sure to leave a gap around the cuticles. Hover the large strong velvet magnet around the edges of your nail to lift the glitter. Keeping it attached to the other smaller magnet makes it easier to hold. You're working around the perimeter, not straight over the top. This is what creates that deep, even velvet finish across the whole nail. Once you're happy with the finish, cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of matte top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using your long liner brush and clear builder gel, carefully paint thin lines down your nail, keeping them close together. Take your time, these lines are what give the ribbed effect its structure. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe away the sticky inhibition layer using a lint-free wipe moistened with gel nail polish remover or a pure acetone wipe. Apply cuticle oil and work it into your cuticles. This is what makes a whole manicure look finished. That's your velvet ribbed mani done. Subscribe to keep up with our latest tutorials. See you next time.